I'm recording. I believe that's what we call a circus train right there. Yeah, that's him, Frank. Okay. Yeah. I think he just stopped.
I still don't see it.
No, he's still moving. Yep, he's still coming this way. I thought his lights got dim. You should see him now.
I still can't see it.
Right, hand me that black thing laying there. Hurry up, hurry up. Yeah, I got a battery going dead. You see it yet?
What is it?
The little one. I'm good now though. I swear it looks like he just crossed over to this near track.
Okay. I see it now.
Frank,
Huh?
it looks like he just crossed over to the near track.
Okay.
That's the one what you call it's on. You see it? Frank. Frank.
Huh?
He's on the same track as the Amtrak.
Oh, he is?
Yes. Unless that switch is thrown right there. And I can't tell. I think it is. So I think he'll be crossing over right there. Frank. Hey, I don't care what number it is, he's on this near track, but I think the switch is thrown, he's going to cross over. That's what it looks like. We'll know in just a second. He's crossing over right here, Frank. Yep. How's that for some filming? SD70, Matt. ACEs. Taking stills?
Yes, sir. My brother was up at Lee Hall Mansion today.
Sir?
My brother was up at Lee Hall.
Oh, was he?
He got a video of it through.
Tell you what, I'd swap emails with you if you send me some stills. I'll send you some video. Hey, Frank. Have you seen a better shot yet? Hello, young lady. Huh? There's some guys hanging out up here.
Sad to see this thing go.
Sorry?
Sad to see this thing go.
Yep. What does rent look like? Is that rent? Thanks, buddy. We got this is the best one we got all day. Oh yeah. I want copies of that. We'd have been long gone if he hadn't have told us, you know that?
I will.
Oh my God, yes. Yeah, but he ain't going nowhere till that train gets out of his way. Hello now. Hello, ladies. Oh, look, a baby boy. Yeah, I caught it leaving Norfolk this morning at 7:30.
Oh, did you really? My
Yeah.
brother tried to get it in Wakefield, but he missed about 5 minutes.
Well, we went up to Williamsburg, sitting next to the tracks to catch it coming through there. And one of us fell asleep.
Oh, no!
And we got the back half of it.
Oh,
But he got me to here, so.
that's good. Where y'all from?
Portsmouth. I live in Portsmouth. He lives in Hampton.
Okay, good.
It's amazing to me. I got this, I don't know how many dollar video camera.
Yeah.
With this little GoPro
yeah.
clone.
Yeah, yep. Does it trick?
$15 camera.
It's the way to do it.
It don't zoom in and out, but it actually takes a clearer picture. Hey Frank, there's all them animal cages I told you about. See them? Where's he at? I'm amazed at how clear this thing shoots. It's just all you get, the view you get.
That's right, exactly.
But on a clear day like today, this one here will take some pretty good pictures too.
There you go. That's like a different paper. There's my email address. I'll put it right there on you.
Oh, I got
H-Pritchett1.
pen and paper in the
Okay.
car.
I gotta get ready to go. So.
Oh, okay. Let me make sure I got it right.
HBRITTEPP1
at Cox.net. Okay.
Yep.
And
Aaron, by the way.
you'll have my email when I
No, I'm Aaron.
Aaron?
Yeah.
I'm Charlie. That's Frank.
I work in the shipyard. I do video work, so I own a big
He
camera.
used to work in the shipyard for
Did he really?
years. I worked over there for General Electric for years,
Okay.
way back. We're both retired now, so we can do this stuff.
That's
you know?
great. That's what you should do. Enjoy it.
Oh, we have model trains too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. I guess you've been to one in York County, right?
Say again?
You've been to one in York County?
Up 17?
Yeah.
That's my class.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know Mr. Chu. You know Mr. Chu?
Not
Chu,
not by name.
Holman. Mr. Holman.
Yeah.
That's all for us, folks. I gotta go. Don't take care.
Take it easy, sir. There it is, pulling in the yard in Hampton. Hang on. You're shooting stills?
Yes. Yeah, I caught it coming in. That's a new bridge.